Hello everyone. Welcome to ECJ Squatty channel. Vanakkam, Namaskar, Swagatham. So today we are going to see about number systems in digital electronics. So number system is nothing but in any number system, there is an order set of symbols known as digits with rules defined for performing arithmetic operation like addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc. So a collection of these digits makes a number which in general has two parts. One is integer and another one is fractional. So set apart by a radix point and one. So first integer, radix point. That is another part is fraction. So this is a number. So example 14.25. So this is one number. This is the integer part and this one is the fraction part. And these both are separated using a radix point. Okay. So for example, the digits, this is the general digit. So d n minus 1, d n minus 2, so on till di, so on d1, d0. Radix point is dot. So d minus 1, d minus 2, so on d minus n. So this one is called as radix point. So this is actually the number. This whole part is nothing but integer. So this whole part is integer and this whole part is fractional. This whole part is fractional portion. Okay. So this is about the number system. So n here says number and b here says about the base of the number system, or you can also say it as radix. Okay. So this is about number system. So there are many number systems. So first we will see one by one. The very first thing we are going to see is binary number system. So binary number system is nothing but the number system with base 2 is known as binary number system. So for this 2 is the, so for binary number system 2 is the base. Okay. So only two symbols are used to represent numbers in this system, that is 0 and 1. So these are the two numbers, only two numbers which are going to use in this binary number system, that is 0 and 1. So these are known as bits. So this is 1 bit and this is 1 bit. So these are called as bits. So group of 4 bits is called as nibble. So group of 4 bits, that means example if we say 1001. So this is a group of 4 bits. So this is called as nibbles. Nibble, one nibble. Okay. So group of 8 bits is called as byte. So for example, if you take 0001 10. So this whole thing is called as 1 byte. And this rightmost bit, so rightmost bit is this. So the rightmost bit is called as LSB. So this is called as LSB. So LSB means least significant bit. LSB means least significant bit. The leftmost bit, this is called as most significant bit, that is MSB. Okay, so group of 4 bits is called as nibble, group of 8 bits is called as byte, and the rightmost bit is called as least significant bit, LSB. Leftmost bit is called as most significant bit, that is MSB. So binary number system is nothing but a system with the number system with base 2 is known as the binary number system. Only two symbols are used to represent numbers in this system, that is 0 and 1. So these are and these 0 and 1 is called as bit. Okay, this is about binary number system. So if you take like how to convert a decimal system, so those all things we will see now. Okay, so first we will see how to write this binary number system. So for example, if you take 2-bit binary number system, we'll write about binary number system. For example, if you take here decimal number, if you write decimal number, here we will write binary number. Okay, so here if you take decimal number, for example 0, 1, 2, 3. So for 2-bit binary number, there will be four numbers. Okay, so how we will get, that is 2 to the power of 2. So 2 is the base and this 2 is 2-bit. So here we are going to use 2-bit. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So we will get four numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So in binary, in decimal, 0 means in binary it is 0, 0. In decimal, if it is 1, in binary it will be written as 0, 1. And 2 means 1, 0. 3 means 1, 1. So how these numbers are calculated? See, this 2 is there, na? So the actual value for this is 2 to the power of 0. And this is 2 to the power of 0. So the total is 0. That is decimal number. If you take here, 1 is there, na? So 2 to the power of 1. And this one is 2 to the power of, sorry, this is 2 to the, this one is 0 first. So we are getting 2 to the power of 0. That is say actually how the weights are calculated means, for example, binary number is there. So this value, this place value will be like what it is present. So 0 into 2 to the power of 0. Okay, plus this place value is 1 in 0 into 2 to the power of 1. So the total will be 0. So the value will be 0. Okay, not this. So for this, it is 2 to the power of 0 into 1 plus here it is 0. Na? So this place value is 0 into 2 to the power of 1. So what we will get? So 2 to the power of 0 means 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So the whole value becomes to 1. So this one value, how we will calculate means 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 0. That means 1 into 2 to the power of 1 is 2. We'll get the value 2. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0, that value is 0. This whole thing is 0 to this whole thing is 1. So you will get 3. So like this, the numbers are calculated. Okay. So how to convert binary to decimal conversion? So we will now we will see how to convert binary number. So binary number is there to decimal number. How to convert, we'll see. Decimal conversions. Okay. So how to convert? So for example, if this one is there, so base 2. Okay, so how to convert the decimal? That is what we have seen it, right? So this digits value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So start with 1 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. So the whole thing becomes 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. That is equals to 31. This is decimal value. So binary equivalent. So this value is binary. This number is. So decimal equivalent value is 31. So we need to write the base here. Then only we will understand. So this is binary to decimal conversion. So next we will see decimal to binary conversion. So for integers, the conversion is obtained by continuous division by 2 and keeping track of the reminders. So while for fractional parts, the conversion is affected by continuous multiplication by 2 and keeping track of the integers generated. So for integer, so how to convert a decimal to binary means for integer, you need to obtain continuous division by 2 and the reminders need to be noted down. And for fractional part, the conversion is affected by continuous multiplication by 2 and keep track of the integers present. Okay, so we will see one by one. So continuous division of 2 for integer, continuous multiplication by 2 for fractional part. So first we will convert this decimal 13. So this is a integer part. So we will do the conversion. So the how we will get we need to do continuous division by 2. So 2. So what it is 6, right? 6 2s are 12. So we'll get one reminder 1. So that we need to write here. So again you do it. Again 2 3 is 6. So here we don't have any reminder. So it is 0. So here 2 1. Again reminder is 1, right? So you need to write this way from down to top. That is 1101. So the decimal equivalent of 13 is for binary equivalent for this decimal 13 is 1101. So you just verify it 0 1 2 3. So 1 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. So 1 into 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 plus 2 square is 4 plus this whole thing becomes 0 plus here 1 will come 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Yes, we have got that. So this is a decimal to binary conversion for an integer. If you take a fraction like in 0.65625. So how to convert this fractional part? So you need to do continuous multiplication. So 0.65625 into 2. The whole thing becomes 1.31250. So you keep track of this 1, okay? 1. And again do into 2. Leave it. You discard this, okay? Now you do only for this whole thing into 2. So how much it will come? 0.62500. So here you are getting 0. So note it down as 0. Again you do multiplication with 2 and it will become 1.225 3 zeros. So you keep track of this 1. Again you do into 2. So how much it will become? 0.5. So again into 2 till you get 1 here, you go on do it. So here it is 0 na, so write it 0 and here it is 1, right? So 1, you take it as 1. So you just note it like this, top to bottom. There in the previous you are taking from bottom to top, here you are taking top to bottom. So what it is, so you take that after the point. So 0.10101. So this is the binary equivalent for this decimal number. So this is about binary number system. So these are about how to convert from binary to binary to decimal we have seen. Again, how to convert from decimal to binary we have seen. So in the next video we'll meet. Please do subscribe to my channel ECE J Square T for more updates. Thank you.